Hey guys, this is Jack with Never Too Old Adventures, where you're never too old and it's never too late to get out there on that next adventure. Been working on some of the video things that I've got going here, and I'm working on my intro. I'm going to show you the old intro and the new intro, and if you would, just leave me a comment down there which one you like, and if you would also add how long do you think an intro should be for a video. Thanks a lot. Take a look at these. Well, guys, that's the old intro to the videos, and I'm trying to get rid of that one because it's got a crack in the windshield, so it doesn't look really good. Here comes the second one, and this is the new one. I just put this one together. It's a little bit shorter, about 2 seconds. So let me know what you think down in the comments, the old one or the new one, and how long you think an intro should be. And guys, you can see the only thing I really changed was the first part of the video and the music. So let me know what you think down in the comments, whether you like the old one, the new one, how long it should be. And if you have any other suggestions, what you'd like to see as an intro or even as a video, just let us know. Just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and of course hit that bell button so you'll get all our upcoming new videos out there. Thanks again for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments.